Are you struggling with the same frustrating problem I used to have? The grass spreading out of control into your garden borders, taking up valuable space and making your home's landscape look messy. Maybe you've already spent a lot of time, effort, and money trying to solve this problem, but you still don't feel completely satisfied with the results. About 3 years ago, I was in exactly the same situation you are in today. I tried all kinds of solutions to stop grass and weeds from spreading into the borders around my garden. Eventually, I found a solution that has given me complete peace of mind, and today, I want to share it with you. Watch this video and listen to my advice. I'm sure you'll find these ideas very helpful. First, let's talk about the purpose of garden edging. Garden edging is more than just a dividing line between your lawn and planting beds. It is a key element that gives your garden a complete, intentional, and well-designed appearance. A well-designed garden border helps highlight the beauty of your plants, keeps your flower beds neat and organized, and adds visual interest throughout every season. Think of it as the finishing touch that allows all the hard work you put into maintaining your garden to truly shine. So, how can you make all your hard work shine? The secret is to use slate and pebbles in your landscape design. It's a fairly simple solution, but not everyone thinks of using these materials, and many people hesitate because they're unsure whether it's the right choice. So, let's take a closer look at why slate and pebbles could be the perfect choice for your garden. Slate and pebbles are excellent natural materials for creating unique, attractive, and durable garden borders. Slate can create an elegant, modern, or classic look, depending on how you arrange it. It can be cut into different shapes and sizes, from flat pieces placed closely together to create a clean, defined border, to larger pieces that create a bold and eye-catching focal point. Slate is also highly durable and can withstand different weather conditions, making it a long-lasting choice for your landscape. Pebbles bring a natural, soft, and versatile look to your garden. They can be used to create borders around flower beds, pathways, or other decorative areas. You can choose pebbles in different sizes, shapes, and colors to achieve the visual effect you want. Pebbles can also help retain moisture in the soil and reduce weed growth. One popular idea is to use river stones to create soft, flowing curves that clearly separate the lawn from planted areas. These advantages are exactly what helped me solve my own garden edging problems. You can use slate and pebbles separately or combine them to create impressive and eye-catching garden borders. Here are the ways I recommend using them. 1. Standalone edging. Use slate or pebbles to create a low border that clearly separates different areas of your garden. 2. Combine different materials. Combine slate with pebbles to create contrast in texture and color, giving your garden a unique and sophisticated appearance. 3. Match your garden style. Whether you prefer a modern, rustic, or Mediterranean-style garden, slate and pebbles can easily adapt to your overall landscape design. Now that we've discussed what these materials can do, let's look at some of the practical benefits of using slate and pebbles as garden edging. Increased curb appeal. They give your garden a professional, organized, and polished appearance. Reduced weed growth. They help prevent grass and weeds from spreading into your planting beds. Keep soil and mulch in place. Garden edging helps prevent soil and mulch from washing out of your beds when you water the garden or during heavy weather. Excellent durability. Both slate and pebbles are natural materials that can last for many years while requiring very little maintenance. By now, you probably understand why I recommend choosing slate and pebbles to transform the borders around your garden. So, why not give them a try? Choose the materials that best fit your home and garden, and turn your outdoor space into a beautiful, peaceful, and dreamlike paradise. I hope these ideas help you create the garden you've always wanted. Good luck with your project, and thank you for watching.